Welcome to igboticnono, English to Igbo translation that you may not know. First of all, a brief introduction to Igbo culture for you to really understand what I'm trying to say. Igbo is a language spoken in southeastern part of Nigeria. The Igbos have a population of over 50 million people. They are predominantly farmers, fishermen, hunters, carpenters, but the modern day Igbo man is versatile in all sectors of life. They have yearly festival ranging from Iwaji Festival or Fala Festival. All the celebration plays a fundamental role in bringing about unity amongst the people. There are numerous delicacies from southern eastern part of Nigeria that makes every visitor of foreigners live the culture, love the culture, and due to the influx of English in our generation, we tend to forget most words from our native tongue. Every tribe is guilty of this though. And these are some translations you never knew about. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl, this is your Igbo teacher, igboticnono. Please, if you're clicking on this video for the first time, if you're coming to this channel for the first time, please, we learn Igbo here swiftly, without stress. Igbo on the go, without stress, okay? Please try to subscribe to this channel. Ejo. Subscription is free. Oh, this is not fair. You click on this video, you just watch 1 minute, 2 minutes, you go. You don't subscribe. Why? What did I do to you? Number one here is flower. Flower is ododo. 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 Some people call it ifuru. Ifuru. Some people call it flower. Flower. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ezi ncheta ọmụmụ. Ezi ncheta ọmụmụ. Happy birthday. Ezi ncheta ọmụmụ. Flag. Okoloto. Like Nigerian flag, UK flag, stuff like that. Flag. Okoloto. Flag. Okoloto. Some people can also call it flag. You don't put the I there, like GGI. Flag. Yeah. Date. Ụbọchị. Date. Ụbọchị. Date. Ụbọchị. Date. Ụbọchị. Motorcycle. Ọgba tum tum. Motorcycle. Ọgba tum tum. Motorcycle. Ọgba tum tum. Motorcycle. Ọgba tum tum. Congratulations, ekele. Congratulations, ekele. Congratulations, ekele. Jams, nje. Jams, nje. You know the jams that enter your body, all those things. Jams, nje. Jams, nje. Mask, mkpuchi. Mask, mkpuchi. You know this coronavirus time now that you're wearing masks. No. Mask, mkpuchi. Mask, mkpuchi. Mask, mkpuchi. Cake, achịcha. Cake, achịcha. Cake, achịcha. Cake, achịcha. Color, agba. Color, agba. Color, agba. Color, agba. All, ikwiikwi. All, ikwiikwi. All, ikwiikwi. All, ikwiikwi. Fan, onye ofufe. Fan, onye ofufe. Fan, onye ofufe. Fan, onye. Happy birthday, ezi ncheta ọmụmụ. Happy birthday, ezi ncheta ọmụmụ. Like now, I want to tell you happy birthday. I just say ezi ncheta ọmụmụ. That's happy birthday, ezi ncheta ọmụmụ. Spy, nyocha nzuzo. Spy, nyocha nzuzo. Spy, nyocha nzuzo. Spy, nyocha nzuzo. Sieve, nyo. Sieve, nyo. Sieve, nyo. Monster, ano. Monster, ano. Monster, ano. Fantasy, echiche efu. Fantasy, echiche efu. Fantasy, echiche efu. Orgasm, ụdịrị iche. Orgasm, ụdịrị iche. Orgasm, ụdịrị iche. Bulb. 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 Like B-U-L-B-U. Bulb. Bulb. The regular bulb you use in your house. That's the bulb. bulb, bulb. Basically writing it the way it sounds. Bulb. Fork, chai, fork, chai. You know, like regular English exclamation. Fork. It's chai, chai, chai. They say chimo, chimo efum, chimo, chimo, chai. Like fork, fork. What the fuck? So chai, chai, chai. It was it. Fuck. It was it. Chai. It was it. So basically, guys, this brings me to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned one or two. Please subscribe to this channel. Get this video to 25,000 views, and get this video get me to 1,000 subscribers. I'm speaking into existence. Please, if you have watched to this point and you've not subscribed, what? Subscribe. Subscription is free. Aside you don't like what I'm doing, and I'm sure you do, because this one I'm doing also takes, you know, time to do. Okay, it takes time to do. It's not easy to pull out. Okay, guys, thank you.